Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to simplify the integer exponent problem, 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 raised to the power of 2. Stay tuned to find out the step-by-step solution to this problem. Let's get started. To begin simplifying the expression 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 raised to the power of 2, we first need to handle each term separately. Let's break this down step by step. The expression we are starting with is 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 raised to the power of 2. Step 1. Evaluate 2 raised to the power of 3. This means we are multiplying 2 by itself 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So now, the expression is altered to 8 plus 3 raised to the power of 2. Next, we need to evaluate 3 raised to the power of 2, which means multiplying 3 by itself 2 times. This makes the expression easier to simplify in further steps. So the important change we made in this step is changing 2 raised to the power of 3 to its value, which is 8. Now we have 8 plus 3 raised to the power of 2. Step 2. Evaluate 3 raised to the power of 2. This means we are multiplying 3 by itself 2 times. So 3 times 3 equals 9. The important change we made in this step is changing 3 raised to the power of 2 to its value, which is 9. Now we have 8 plus 9. We completed simplifying the second term of our expression. Finally, add these two values together. 8 plus 9 equals 17. The expression simplifies to its final value, which is 17. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.